ko.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the noose and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they say to never date her. Ha!
Akin ka bekas semua penjara kau mah. Jangan kamu.
You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to
Ikaw
say.
may naman.